Welcome to the Dollar Tree. This is a spot you want to come. I promise this is going to change your life. They have a 4-piece of these mini champagne flutes. I can't wait to show you these items. The secret in the dollar stores I want you to look for is bagel chips. This is a name brand and they're awesome. I have found the pretzels to be incredible. Lots are name brand and at $1.25. You can't beat this price. There's so many uses for these for the New Year's appetizers. Dollar Tree has these silver plastic silverware. You may not know the dollar store carries nuts and they're in smaller quantities, but it's a great deal. This is a cashew almond blend. This is about half a cup. I think my favorite hack of this video are these red boxes. When you see these at Dollar Tree, run. They're created gift boxes. They have homemade jams this year, and I really like the Mrs. Miller's jam. The first place you want to come to is the spice section. You can save so much. All of these are just $1.25. Spices here are going to save you $3 to $4 a container. The dollar store also sells lots of noodles. This is adorable. They have pralines here. I absolutely love these. These are great on a dessert bar, but also with a hot cocoa. They have old-fashioned ginger snap cookies. They're awesome. Friends, follow your heart.